smoke weed every day.
Hey there nerds and nerdettes, after taking some time off and finally getting a macro lens, it's time to start painting this snack boy. After priming the model, we are going to give it a black undercoat with an airbrush. We will have to go over it multiple times as the paint is coming out a bit thin. For the tail and head, I will use a base color of army paint, a goblin green. For the sash around his waist, I will use Reaper Dark Elf Purple. For the leather straps and pouches, I will use Army Painter Leather Brown. Next we will apply Army Painter Mummy robes to his underbelly. Just a quick tip, you can get away with painting hard to reach areas and at awkward angles if you have a super fine tip on your brush. Next I will paint all of the metallic areas such as his pistol and sword with Army Painter Gunmetal. To break up the grey metallic areas, I will apply some Army Painter Weapon Bronze. Now we could stop here as it is at a decent tabletop standard, but we are going to take it a tiny bit further by adding some shades to the skin and underbelly along with a quick dry brush to make the scales really stand out. After that we will base him and give him a varnish to protect the paint job. I hope you enjoyed this painting video as much as I enjoyed making it. Until next time, stay nerdy and remember,
we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.